This is Juliet. Today I'm going to make some white bread. The recipe is for 2 loaves, but I've done it in half, cut it in half and just going to make 1 loaf. I've got 4 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, a little bit of sugar, salt. I've got some powdered milk. I've got some vegetable oil. And then I've got some water. And then we've got the yeast in some water. Hope y'all doing okay today. I'll put all this in the sink. I think I'm going to have some more water. Must have got the water mixed. I'm going to let this rise for an hour and then I'll bring you back. Let me get my clothes. And I'll be back in an hour. Alright, it's rose. I'm going to take this out. Flour. going to put that in the oven for 35 minutes. And when it gets done, I'll bring you back. Let me get my hand on this time. I don't want to touch my camera with these gooey hands. Alright, there's my bread I just got out of the oven. If you like my videos, just like, share, and hit that little bell if you'd like to be notified when I got another video coming out. Thank you.